下次我开我叫你。
Let's go. Messi want to do one more. 07, 08. Exquisite.
Here we go. Baby. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, auto box.
Could be 1-1.
I know it's hard, but we gotta do it.
Do it that way. Don't this way.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's hard. I know it's hard. I know it's very hard.
Come on.
Be careful.
Oh, damn it.
Messi has some trouble opening this box.
Yeah, I know that.
I think
Like this.
he opened this box should take maybe 1 hour.
They should cut my finger and the box will be open.
Yes. It's hard. I saw the golden one.
Come on.
Yes, golden one. It's golden. Okay. Holy shit. CS5 or 6?
5.
5.
5? Must be some base 1-1.
Not bad, base 1-1.
Yes, if you go to Jordan base 1-1.
Should go over Southern.
Yeah.
No jersey?
Hope some nice patch too. Nice. Exquisite.
Yeah.
Andrew Miller.
Some good behind it.
I think it's the golden version rookie. It's gold rookie.
No.
It's the gold rookie.
You have 2 base cards.
Yes. I think it's the gold rookie.
Oh, nice patch of our Hofer.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice Hofer.
Very nice.
Who's him? Richard Jefferson. Switches.
Flawless.
Switches.
What's the 1 of 10?
Patch?
Oh no, it's the triple patch.
Triple patch. During weight.
Very nice.
During weight.
But the
jersey number.
Shit.
Number 3 of 10.
Okay,
yeah.
nice.
Jersey number.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay, nice. The golden version.
Gold version Jason Kidd. Number 25 of 10.
Okay.
10 of 25. I mean.
Okay.
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yep. We have Richard Jefferson.
I think this is the full color.
Full color
See
and
this
nice logo patch of our Horford.
Yeah.
Number 2 to 25 and jersey number patch of Durham Wade. Number 3 of 10.
Nice.
Okay. Nice folks. See ya.